In this lecture, we will add inbound rules to the public subnet network security group we created in the previous lecture. To add the inbound rules, in the left menu, select Settings. Then select Inbound Security Rules. Click Add. For the settings, under Source, we are going to select My IP, and that should limit it to your IP address. For the source port ranges, we will leave the default setting, and under Destination, it is going to be any. For the service, select this drop-down and select SSH. SSH is on port 22 and the protocol is TCP. Under Action, it is going to be Allow, and for the priority, leave it at 100. For the name, we're also going to use the default name, Allow My IP address SSH inbound. Then click Add. We have successfully added the SSH inbound rule. Next, we are going to add the next rule. Click Add. Under the source, it is going to be any. Source port, it is going to be the default setting. Destination is going to be any. For the service, select the drop-down and select HTTP. HTTP is access on port 80, and the action is going to be Allow. For the priority, leave it at 110, and for the name, leave the default setting, Allow any HTTP inbound. Then click Add. We have successfully added the SSH rule and the HTTP rule to our network security group. This will allow us to be able to access our virtual machine from port 22 and port 80. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.